Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing. You already know what it is because you've seen the title. I'm very excited by this one. It was a little treat from old Santa Claus, whatever you want to call him. These are... I think you've got me on the wrong camera, Mr. B. These are... Jeez. The Nike Dunk High. The Nike Dunk High SP/SJ. So they're kind of made for me, right? They are white, clear black. They're black noir clair. They're a US 7.5, UK 6.5, which makes her a European 40.5. And the code is DA1639101, taking it back to the centre. Okay, so Mr. B was a little bit naughty with these because he went and did the thing I don't like. He fed the StockX beast. Anyway. We've got some fancy paper in here. Can you see that? Fancy paper. But let's get into it because you don't want to see the paper. Rustle. I haven't really looked at these. I opened them on Christmas Day. And I must admit, we were like, oh, I need to do a proper unboxing. So I didn't really look at them in too much detail so that you could get all of my first impressions on these. Now, these are the Slam Jam Dunks. Slam Jam being the Italian store. I think opened in around 89. It's been around for a while now. And these are their first dunk, but... it's their second dunk of the pack. So there was a first, so the first pair were like a light grey and they dropped, I think it was around the 10th of October. And then these dropped towards the end of October, around the 30th, I think. So the first pair that were all in like a light grey / white colour, they were a Slam Jam exclusive. Sorry, the dog is being very naughty. Huxley! No. He's being very naughty and actually standing on sneaker boxes. So the other pair were Slam Jam exclusives. These had a wider release, were available from Nike, Slam Jam and other retailers. Lucked out on these, didn't get them. Mr. Bean knew I really liked them, so he got them for me from StockX, as I said. He assures me he didn't pay much above retail for these. We will see. We will see. So, as I said, Slam Jam have had a couple of collaborations with Nike before. The last pair I really wanted were the Blazers last year. Didn't get them. Super hard to get. So this just continues their Nike collaborations over the years. And as I said, this is the first dunk. So let's go in and look at some details. I'm already seeing something that isn't quite perfect. So they have this white leather here. And it is like pure white leather. And you have this really nice... Mr. B's just taking it from me to take it in. There you go. You can see the grain of the leather there. It's quite nice. You've got the black suede as well. Now, black suede can be a little bit wishy-washy. This is a really, really good true black. I'm quite impressed with how true a black it is. Then you've got the swoosh here. And the swoosh, it kind of looks, under these lights, almost like the outside of the swoosh has... It's like a... It looks almost bronze, but it's not. It's more of like a dust grey... sort of perspex see-through, and the swoosh, can't do this sort of backwards, it's not fully attached here, okay, so it sort of sticks up a little bit, and it's the same on both sides, so it is meant to be like that. Then you've got the swoosh here, and again, under these lights, it does look bronzy, but it's more of a like a smoky grey. It's like my nail colour actually, smoky grey. Then if you look at the front on the toe box, now normally on the toe box, you are on a dunk, the perforations wouldn't be like this. As you can see, they're in a straight line. You can see that nice leather as well. It is really, and the materials on them are good. Then you've got the black and white laces, which I really, really like. They're like, taking it back to the middle, The laces in the middle there, if that's in focus, they're kind of, I'm not sure what material it is. It's not like normal lace material, if that makes sense. It's kind of, I don't know, like thick satiny almost. Then on the tongue tab, I'm just going to take this. Oh God, Mr. B, I'm not going to, my arm's going to ache. Come on, focus, focus. You can see you've got Nike there and it's upside down on this one. There we go. Can you see that? I'm going to try. Wrong way, wrong way. There you go. You can see it clearly there. It's upside down. Mr. B's taking it from me so he can take it right in because my arms aren't long enough to reach the camera, people. I'm not as tall as Mr. B. And then let's go back to the centre camera because I just want to flip it round to the back where you can see you've got this plasticky bit here. Let's just bring this right in. And it says Slam Jam there. And again, it's sort of in that smoky grey, which I really, really like. Now, I know these weren't to everybody's cup of tea. Some people thought they were a bit meh, but you can't go wrong with a monochrome pair of sneakers. And on a dunk, monochrome just really, really works. Now, as I said, I've just spotted something that's not quite perfect, and it's on this sneaker, and I'm just going to show you. So on this side, all the perforations perforated. On this side, spot the perforation not perforated. There you go, it's there. It's there. I can't do it back to front. There, the second one in. Anyway, there you go. You can see it there. You've also got on the midsole, it's sort of translucent. Then on the bottom there, you've got a normal Nike Dunk sole. Now, this is only my second pair of Dunk highs. My other pair is actually, I'm just going to move this down, another collab with French fashion retailer, APC, which I've had for like 10 years now. They're one of my favourite pairs, which I don't wear that often. And I think these may become a favourite pair as well. I'm just going to flick onto the other sneaker. There you go, you got the StockX tag on, which I haven't taken off yet. I will take that off after this unboxing. Just going to have a look inside as well. There were no alternate laces with these. I don't know whether they were meant to come with alternate laces. No, Mr. B's saying no. I'm just going to have a quick look inside. Because there is a really, really cool pattern on the insole, which I don't think I'm going to take it out. Right, we're going to try. I'm not sure. Let's try this light here to see if you can see that. Oh, I'm going to hold this all wrong. No, it's going to be too dark, I think. Basically, the pattern that's on the inside follows through. Yeah, Mr. B can't get it. The pattern that's on the inside. I'm not doing a very good job here, am I? Follows this through. Okay, so that's what's on the inside of the sneakers. You getting all of that? There you go. Ta-da! So it's got 85 on there. I can't, Mr. B saying something to me.
What do the words on the paper say?
So it says on the paper, it's got 85, obviously, and it says connecting tribes of like-minded people across the world, Night Dunk, college colour high, be true to your school, connecting tribes of like-minded people across the world. There we go, it just says the same thing. And that connecting like-minded people of the world is sort of Slam Jam's signature saying. That's the whole ethos of the store. As I said, it's a Milan, well, it's an Italian company. They have a store in Milan. The initial store was not in Milan, though, I believe. It was on the outskirts. But anyway, it's just, you know, connecting people through fashion, through streetwear, through sneakers, and that is what Slam Jam is all about.
And I think...
You can't shut up today, can you?
College Colour High, was that not the name of the original Dunk?
Yes, it may have been the name of the original Dunks. There we go. I'm getting told off here. It's the name of the original Dunks, but as I said, this is Slam Jam's interpretation of the College High with its own flourishes. Now, there was also a very similar dunk out towards, I think it was November, December, the ambush dunk, which was very, very similar to this, but it had more of a elaborate swoosh. Now, I didn't like that as much as these, so I'm really glad Mr. B got me these because I wasn't a big fan of those ambush ones at all. But yeah, I'm not seeing anything else wrong with them. Pretty good apart from that. Let's take another look. Let's spin this bad boy around. Look at it. There's a little mark on the back here. Black bit where it says Slam Jam. There you can see it really clearly. It's only a little one. It's just me being nitpicky. Spinning it around. Look at it. It's really nice. Mr. V is saying, is it an upside down swoosh? No, it's not. It's a mark. Don't be an idiot. He's been very annoying behind that camera. But yeah, super, super nice dunk. Let's go back to the centre. So yeah, did you manage to pick these up? Woo! Do you like them? Do you not like them? I know we normally do SB dunks on this channel, but they're still a dunk. I like them. They're going on my feet. Yeah, so leave us a comment below. Let us know what you thought of these or the other pair in this pack that came out. Did you pick them up? And also, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to come along and join us for Sneaker Stream Sundays, where we talk about what we've picked up, what we've worn on our feet, what has been in the sneaker news, and also what you guys out there are wearing on Instagram. So hashtag your Instagram post, pint of stuff, and we will probably feature you on our Sneaker Stream Sundays. That is it from me. Really, really nice pickup. Naughty Mr. B behind the camera there for doing the one thing I hate and feeding that resale market beast. You know I really don't like that because I never do it myself, but I do love them, so thank you very much. And on that, over and out, people. Over and out. Woo! Actually, no, we're not over and out. Go and check out one of the other videos over there. You know, there'll be something else dunk related, almost certainly. Probably a 95% probability. Actually, probably more of a 75% probability of dunk or blazer. 1% something a little bit more exotic. Anyway, bye.